Alright, ready for the game? Bet your ass. Get ready to be owned by my knight. You scared already? You put blue tack all over the model? Yeah, well, what if I want to switch to weapons? Have you tried magnetizing? Yeah, let's go. Now. Alright, but you do know we're playing Age of Sigmar. Orbital strike! So, previously we did build the Imperial Knights, but you realized that I didn't really actually go and stick most of it, aka glue them. Because I was just thinking like, wouldn't it be a waste if I assume you just glue them and now you cannot move the knight everywhere. Also, the most important part is that there's actually a lot of weapons this guy has. You're like wondering, if you assume you glue one part, there'll be a waste if I assume you want to go and use another weapon. That's why, in this video, we're gonna be doing some magnetizing on this. Let's get to this. The first part is gonna be this area. This area is where we add the attachment right there. And we can't really tell what kind of magnets, but the closest I got was this bunch of magnets. Yeah, I got a lot of this, so yeah. It kind of fit right in there. It's just a little bit more, but it goes right there. It's properly. It's very nice. The best way is to just chop this and then later cut out as much as I can to add that. Pardon me. Look at that. And also before that, we're gonna take all this, gonna note each other as north and south. So here I got blue and red. This is very important because we might forget that it's gonna be red or blue. So that's red here. Wait for that to dry. Then we get the blue one, the other side. Blue, red, and now we're gonna wear a glove. Be right back. Slowly saw it, and don't put any force. There. Time for the hard part. So you can see this part is where it's supposed to twirl around. Okay. Now we got the easiest way to go and tell is that it has a magnet. You can put a magnet just right there. It's easy mode. The only hard part is trying to attach it. So I've got two ways. One is using milliput and just put there and we wait for another day. I think it should just be easiest one way. So I just add it right in there. Can't see. Yeah, it's there. Now two of the magnets are here. Let's put this one in there. It's gonna push up the milliput a bit. There. So push that up, and then we go and attach it here. Okay. Actually, wait. There. Okay, wait for this to dry. Let's come back to it. Next day, this is already hardened. This is also hardened, and this is hardened. You listen to this. Yeah, so that's already hardened. Earlier was a putty. And moment of truth. There it is. So far, it's just wobbly a bit. Well, it's because I put it like that. We put it like this. Well, it's not so bad. So yeah, we haven't added the other parts yet. So later on, we're gonna have to go and check again. If it's still a problem, then I might need to go and drill this out, and then later put some, what's it called, adjustments. So the next part is this tool. It's the rocket right here, and the gun turret. I've chosen this one. It's a tiny little one here. This should do the trick, because why? If I can slot it down here easily without a problem, there, that means it works just right. Let me try to do it horizontally. Horizontally, it's not sticking, so that means it's the correct fit. Because if I turn it, oh, I dropped it. Okay, turn it vertically. There, just right. Now I'm going to be putting some putty at the bottom here to go and get it stick. So I'm going to get this specimen and turn it here. Wait, should I do this one? This one? I think this one, because that way it's flatter. Put it down here, upside down. Let's see if it floats. Okay, not totally. Alright. So I'm going to be putting the magnet just there. I also realized that this is actually supposed to be here as well. So now I need another second obstacle. There. Okay. I'm going to just blue tack this one on here. Just to tell myself, okay, when you go and put the putty, avoid this section. Do not put it everywhere. Okay. Okay. Now I've pierced it right over there. Now second challenge, get a second magnet. We're going to plant it right in there. So it's going to stick right in. So, perfect. There. I realized I need to remove it. Okay. Let's squeeze it out. Oh God. Please let go. Please let go. Come on. Get out. Thank you. No. No. Get away. Okay. There. Put it back. Okay. Stab this back. Here we go. Okay, let's wait for this to dry again. Okay, while we wait for that to dry, let's go do the arms. So I get a little bit of a putty. Oh God, this is not even wrapped up properly. I also realized you need to also wear a glove, because I tried this on my hands just now, and look, these are the stain. So wear a glove, because who knows if you're going to be putting contact lens and then this thing happens. You know, all these things in your hands, in your face, in your eyes. Ow! Hurts me. Put it over here. We don't have to do too much because this thing drops a lot. Okay. Now to go and put another bunch of glues on this. and get this sealed. Moment of truth. Let's go. In and out and upside down. Alright, there you go. Time to do the other. Bit wobbly. Oh, it's broken. Oh man, might break this blade, but it's been ages already on this blade. Okay. Let's hope for the best. Still flimsy, but I think it should do. I think it's fine. And the important part is just this upside down trick. Okay, let's just move on. Just going to be putting the glue here because they were done here on the head. Now we can just glue this one finally. Get to that. And also here. Just two. Let's open this part, and we are going to be cutting this area. So I can't tell how it goes, but I'm gonna guess you cut the whole thing, and then where's my one there? And then later we have to go and get at least this all in like that. So yeah, the whole thing like this. Let's hope it will work. I'm gonna fix some part of the arms because this thing was a little bit distorted, and you don't want that for this arm especially. You need it to be straightened up right there. So I got another bunch of putties, and we're gonna do this again. Get this one ready. At least we are, so that way the arms could easily go in, like so. You see that? That's also straightened. So we gotta get this one ready. Let's go do this. So I'm gonna spread one bunch of putty here, like that, easily. And then let's gonna get our magnet there. You see that? The part of red here. Okay. And well, as long as it goes flattened, even if it's still peeking out like that, that should be fine. You can file it out. The bottom part is just try to go and just move this in. Okay, now we can try to go and at least put some of the putties to go and hide away that is actually a magnet. Okay, wait for this one to dry. Let's hope for this. This one still a bit distorted, so you have to do something about that. There, look, a bit distorted. I will have to do the same thing. Okay, waiting for this to dry. Let's get to this one now. Great, got the hole done after times of trying. Now I have to go and just put super glue slowly. It's a good thing that this thing does not have a joint that link together. Okay. Now I have to move this right. Where's my toothpick or anything? Yeah. Right, so slowly, be careful. Should not be moving the movement. And I'm gonna take slowly my baking soda, and I dropped it. And I take my baking soda. Pop it. I'm gonna do the other side as well. It's supposed to repel. We're repelling. Good. Okay. Really triggering me to try at least one of this to work, but never mind. Answer my question. Okay. Okay. So they are all magnetized. The top is all magnetized. Have a look. There you go. Everything's beautiful. Yeah. And we can also do this right here. The other side as well. All's good. Feels good. Everything's great. Let's get the other one here. Ta-da-boom. And the gauntlet. Even the gauntlet. Here. Got it all magnetized. And now the next part. So here is one of them that's actually a challenge. So you can see this one actually has more than one option. So you can see that this hole here, it goes to 1, but you also can swap with this for there's the I just there the other one, which is the flamer, and turns out I put it the wrong side. Okay, oh no, it's correct side. So yeah, you can swap this option, and also there's also this other option here. So there's a lot of options for this one cannon. And we're gonna have to magnetize them. So let's get to this. One of the tricks I can think of is adding some sprues inside here, which means that I need to cut some parts and add in some of them, because there's a big hole inside there, and then later it will at least elevate the magnet up there, so that way I don't have to go and waste magnets to go through this. So yeah, I'm gonna try that trick. and make sure it's red on the front. Is that the one? Yeah, red should be on the front. How did it suddenly stick so fast? What the heck? What kind of super glue did I do? Oh! The putty, yeah, I'm gonna have to do putty again because that's a big hole and we are not gonna do that. What's they called? The spruting earlier. Okay, now we have to wait for this to dry and hope it works. Now, moment of truth. First part is that there's the little bit of gap going on over there, but yeah, I think it should be fine. Oh, first one. Oh, that's the way. Okay, so I'm supposed to hit like that. There we are. Maybe that's the easiest possible way. Put it there, now we glue and get it over with. Okay, another idea I'm trying to find out is trying to do this door hatch. So there's a suggestion over doing this. See that? That's the problem. There. It needs to be actually glued on, or there's a way out of this. Yeah. So there are like two suggestions. The first suggestions is one mentioned on, what's it called? What was mentioned on Reddit is that you can actually make a handle here so that we can actually open it. That's one. Number two is magnetizing. But after trying out constantly of magnetizing it, and I have to actually put a blue tag here because the magnets just keep trying to go through there. So frustrating as crap, because I need to scrape my Tamiya blade until it broke the way I got replacement. So yeah, now I gotta be thinking, how about this? I put this here and I use staples. Or I can just load it in my staple. Never mind, I just said that already. Okay, one of this, and no, I won't be doing that, but more like drilling a hole through this and through this hatch and then glue it inside. Should do this here. Now we'll decide what to do. Either I drill inside here and pierce through all of that, or I drill a little bit and I put inside. I think I'll just try to drill a little bit and then I pierce it inside without any problems, so that way the hatch can go up and down. Oh, I'm going through it. That's the reason why the Knight. It's a bit weird. Go to the other one. Right, so after attempts after attempts, finally got it right. So watch this. It stays right up there. Perfect. And when it shuts it, yeah, there's a little bit of a gap there. But I guess I can just keep pushing it until it works just right. Okay, there we go. Alright, finally. We're gonna do the showcase right now. Whew! What a day! Magnetizing. Now, what I'm going to say about this, quite honest, it does feel like you just created a new toy, and it is very amazing because when you detach something and then you just create a new kind of arms, yeah, it does look very beautiful. And I'm very impressed about this figure. Oh, I mean a model. It looks like a figure already. Yeah, I love this thing. It looks pretty badass, and by the way, I haven't attached it properly because I've yet to go and do the other parts, because the next part is the pilot and it's going to be painting. So yeah, the next video is going to be painting this guy. Yeah, and look forward for that, guys. If you want to see more, like and subscribe, and do leave a comment if you love this video. Thank you so much, everybody. I'll see you guys next time in the next video. We're going to be painting this badass bad boy. Bye bye. This video is brought to you by Underground Hobby Shop. Go to Lazada, type Underground Hobby Shop for all your Warhammer and miniature needs.